Hello guys! Imagine sending money across the globe in seconds with minimal fees, all thanks to one crypto, XRP. Today I'm diving into why XRP might just be the king of cross-border payments and how recent regulatory clarity is shaking up things. Stick around because by the end you might just see XRP in a whole new light. So XRP is the digital token from Ripple, designed to make international money transfers fast and cheap. But think of it like the FedEx of crypto, but without the sticky labels. Lately, XRP's been in the news because of regulatory updates, especially the Clarity Act, which could officially define how XRP is treated legally in the US. This clarity could be huge, not just for investors, but for the global payment network it powers. Regulatory clarity is based on the crypto version of finally getting a traffic light at a chaotic intersection. No more guessing, less risk, and suddenly everyone feels safer using XRP. This means banks and payment providers can adopt XRP without fear. Investors may feel more confident, possibly boosting trading volume. XRP could finally show its real power in real-world payments. Now let's talk about numbers. XRP's daily trading volume recently surged to over 5.2 billion after the Clarity Act news. That's like a small country sending billions of dollars every single day. But it's not just hype. Adoption by banks and payment services could push it even higher. Imagine a world where sending $100 internationally costs just a few cents and settles in seconds. That's the dream XRP is chasing right now. XRP is already working with companies like MoneyGram, RippleNet partners, and some forward-thinking banks. Post-conflict clarity could open doors for more partnerships globally. That means faster, cheaper transactions for you, me, and everyone who sends money internationally. No more waiting days or paying crazy fees. So is XRP the king of cross-border payments? It's looking promising. Regulatory clarity could be the key that unlocks its true potential. But here's a question for you. Is XRP finally taking off? Would you use it to send money globally or invest and hold it for the long term? Drop your thoughts in the comment. I'll read every single one. And hey, if you learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching and I hope I'll see you in the next video.